Attention!
Yeah, childcare course give me so much more confidence in becoming a nursery nurse.
Well, you meet new friends all the time.
We have real life clients coming in, which mean that we're prepared when we go out to work.
I'm still learning and I love it.
The college has even got its own record label called First Sounds.
It left me really prepared for the real world.
Coming here got me into Oxford. They worked me hard, but it was well worth it.
I'd recommend it to anyone.
Yeah, it's brilliant, the courses.
There's the facilities to basically come into college, learn a trade and leave with your own business.
Neath College is absolutely amazing, I love it. You get to make loads of new friends. The catering department has its own bakery. The restaurant opens once a week and customers come in and we work with the public and we experience real life situations. The lecturers here all been in the business themselves. They're all professionals. It's one of the best colleges for catering in Wales. Oh, it's fantastic. All the classes here, we all mix, we all have fun. We'll go out on the weekends. It's really good, yeah.
It's a very friendly, supportive college. The students are very enthusiastic. We give all our students skills to take into employment. The college has 3 childcare facilities, plus it also allows mature students to use our facilities, and it's worked very well. Overall, the college is a very high pass rate in all its subjects, and from my point of view, being a tutor within Neath and Talbot College, I just really enjoy my job.
Where we are now is a very good facility. The gym is just based out in the reception. You can use that any time you want when you haven't got lectures. The past pupils have been here are James Hook, Duncan Jones, and they've gone on to play professional rugby. It's nice to come to college because there's no pressure with the work. I find it easy to train. It's good, very good.
There's a wide range of courses within pre-vocational studies for work skills and life skills. It's everything that will enhance them to become more independent for when they leave college. It's a really, really fun place to work. It's dynamic, it's moving, and there's just lots of opportunities. At the end of the day, to see a student when they've actually made something or completed something, that just makes it all very worthwhile.
I would recommend Neath College because it offers a lot of facilities and you can perform in different places. It's good for dancing, singing and acting because all the teachers are specialised in their subjects, and they even do a dance company called Lift. They bring new choreographers here, which is good because you can work with different people and they're professionals which have been around, they give you advice on what to do.
I love going to this college. They got a great reputation for high pass rates at A-levels. Our personal tutors mentor and support us. Mine got me work experience as top London barristers. I've represented the college doing a debating competition where we won, yet again. They've even got a support programme to get you into university. If you don't want to go away, you can always stay here and do a degree course at the college. Lots of my friends have done so. Why would you want to go anywhere else?
I'd recommend Pathways and I recommend apprenticeship because you're gaining qualifications, you're enjoying yourself, and also you are earning money at the same time, so you get to meet your mates, you go to socialise, and also you get qualifications out of it. The teachers and lecturers, they give you plenty of support here. They're very positive. If you've got a problem or anything, you go to them and they'll help you as much as they possibly can. We call them all by their first name, which is they call us by our first names, and it's just plenty of respect to them, and it's more relaxed and everything. The facilities in the engineering department are a very high standard. There's a range of different things in this college with plenty of things to do.
I will miss the college because all the teachers, like the last 4 years, the best time of my life, I'll never forget it. The teaching was in small groups, so it was a very good environment. I have hardly no debts now because I stayed in Wales to learn, and also I didn't move away from my friends and family. Going up on the stage was just one of my proudest moments ever, just going up, knowing I've achieved something I've worked really hard at. It doesn't matter what education you want, you've got A-levels, resets, further education, HND, it's all here.